Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade stars on Monopoly Go. Let's get started. So, once you've logged into Monopoly Go, the first thing that you need to do is go to the bottom of the screen, and then you're going to see something which says album. So we're going to select that. And now you need to look for the card that you're trying to send to your friend. So I'm going to scroll down a bit. And as you can see there, dice lifting, I have a few cards there, and then surfing. So what I'm going to do is select dice lifting. And something to keep in mind is that in order for you to send the card successfully to that person, you need to have 2 or more of that same card. So right now, I only have 1 of those cards, and the hero loaded dice only have 1. So when you have more of the same card, it's going to say ×2, ×3, or ×4 at the bottom left corner of that card. But in my case, since I only have 1 card, I am unable to send that card to a friend. But once you have more than 1 card, what you'll see is that there's going to be an orange button at the bottom which says send to friend. But in my case, I don't have it right now at the moment. So it's going to say send to friend. And then your friend who has more of the same type of card will be able to do the same. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.